The word we'll be learning in this section is したがう, which you will often hear in contexts where someone is being asked to follow rules, obey commands, or go along with a process, especially in formal situations or instructions. The word したがう means to follow or obey in English. It's often used when referring to following rules, instructions, or someone else's lead. For instance, you might したがう when you're adhering to a teacher's instructions or when complying with company policies. The first kanji means to follow or obey and carries the idea of being subordinate or accompanying. It often appears where someone follows rules or another person. For example, 従業員 uses this kanji to suggest a person who serves or works under an organization, and 服従 shows the sense of yielding or submitting to someone or something. He followed the rules. 彼はルールに従いました。彼はルールに従いました。He follows the instructions. 彼は指示に従います。彼は指示に従います。He follows the law. 彼は法律に従う。彼は法律に従う。He follows the rules. 彼は規則に従う。彼は規則に従う。The most common synonym of the word 従う is 応じる. Both words convey the sense of following or responding to instructions, but 応じる emphasizes responding or reacting in accordance to what's asked or offered, while 従う focuses on following orders or guidance. There are no common antonyms for the word 従う.